This is the dumbest and laziest way to get started earning over $1,000 a day in 2024. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you a very simple AI system that I've been using that has been earning me a ton of money, and it's been generating me thousands and thousands of leads while I sleep. Now, the best part about this is you can get started for free. You don't have to spend any money today. I'm going to show you how to get set up and started so that you can start earning money as a beginner, even if you've never used AI before. Now, are you going to earn $1,000 a day by tomorrow? Probably not. I'm not going to tell you that you're just going to get rich overnight. This isn't like one of those get rich quick schemes. This is an actual way of earning money and this is something that I use. It's something that everybody that I know that makes millions of dollars uses, and it's something that works extraordinarily well if you start working at it. Now, you might be wondering, well, how long is it going to take? Now, you could start earning over $1,000 a day by tomorrow, but it really just depends on a few different things that we're going to be talking about today. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything that you're going to need to be successful with this system, and chances are you can be successful if you put in the right steps. So first of all, let's talk about what I did to make this work. So first of all, let's go to an affiliate promotion I just did. What we're doing is we're promoting different affiliate products that we don't even have to pay for. We don't have to fulfill any of the orders. We don't have to actually even have any customers. All we have to do is get people to click on links. You see this link here? That's called an affiliate link. And what we're doing in this scenario is we're trying to figure out how can we get people to click on this link using AI. And just a disclaimer here, look at this. I got 74,000 people to click on this link, and this is in just about 2 weeks. $4,643 in unpaid earnings. A lot of these rebills haven't even hit yet because we are promoting a free trial on this. And then here you can see 16,000 referrals. Those are all leads. Those are all people that want to learn about the product and they want to use it. So this is really, really cool, right? Because I used AI, I used an AI system to promote this link, and I was able to generate all these leads and clicks to this product with this system I'm about to share with you. Okay. So if you want to follow along, I do recommend you go to the link below this video because inside of that link, you can actually promote this tool as well. And this is a tool that I actually personally use. This is a tool that I'm going to actually show you how to use to actually promote this entire system, because we actually need this tool to be able to follow up with all of our leads, to build our landing pages, to do everything that we need to do in order to be successful with this system. Now, remember, I said it's completely free. They have a 30-day trial, free trial. Go grab it so you can follow along. If you don't get any leads and you don't get any sales, just cancel the trial before you get rebilled. That's all it is. But make sure you get it right now and follow along. Go to the link in the description so that you can follow along with this video, okay? So once you're in the tool, you're going to get a few different things. Let me just show you what this looks like so you can see. So part of the tool here is just the funnel section. Now there's a ton in this tool. I can't even explain half of the things in here, even if I had a full hour on this video, but there is a ton in here. But ideally what we're doing is we're building an opt-in. And what we're doing is we're just having a simple opt-in page that looks like this, where we're sending people into our funnel. Now you're probably on this page if you're watching this video, and inside of this funnel here, this is actually my friend's funnel that I just duplicated his page, but below that is the 30-day trial. And what we're doing though is when somebody signs up with their email and with their phone number, we are going to set up an automated follow-up inside of this tool. And we're going to be grabbing their contact information. Now, this is very important because as we get all these people going to our page with our AI system, we want to be able to capture all of their information. You can see here today, just to this landing page, it is 12 p.m. and we already have 2,223 page visits. That means these are people that are interested in learning about whatever we're talking about with our AI system. And all these people, though, are considering entering their information, and about half of them do. And so when they enter their info, what we do is we actually put them into an automated workflow. And the workflow is really, really cool because right now we're just sending, a few follow-ups, email and SMS, and then we're actually sending the rest of our correspondence over bulk, meaning that we go and manually send the emails and text messages. But you can see we're sending a text and an email just explaining what they just opted into, and then we're promoting this subscription here. And so the cool thing is you can do this exact same thing. It's very simple. I'm not doing anything complicated here. You might be thinking, well, Chase, give me the swipe file. There isn't really a swipe file. All we're really doing is we're getting people to opt in to a simple opt-in page that we're building with this tool. And then when they enter their email and their text, we're following up with them, just a couple automated messages, but then we're actually going and sending them bulk text messaging and bulk emails afterwards, just explaining why they should be using this tool. And as you can see here, we're getting a ton of traffic, right? So 1,411 clicks today just to the link, the affiliate link, 25 signups. Here we got 1,604 clicks yesterday, 49 signups. And again, this is a trial, but for all of the people that are actually getting leads with this system, right? Because I'm not going to talk about this tool unless we can actually get leads to it, and unless it actually works, and unless I'm using it myself. But for all the people that this works for, they're going to keep paying for the tool because it works, because it's making them money. And so I want to get as many leads into this tool as possible, as fast as possible, with this system, so that people will keep paying. And this is something that you can start showing people how to do as well, because all you have to do is get people to use the system I'm about to share with you, get some leads, and they'll keep paying a subscription that you get a commission on. So now let's talk about how we're actually going and generating these leads. So we have a company, Shinify, that basically builds AI generated videos. And so what we're doing is we're using these AI generated videos to drive leads to any offer we want to promote. Now, we kind of stack these videos with manual content, meaning like we shoot some of our content ourselves as well, but we also do a lot of AI generated video, and we actually schedule out hundreds of videos basically a day between a ton of different profiles. And we're able to basically automate our leads just by sending traffic with these actual videos. So let me show you what some of these videos look like. So here's just one of our social media profiles here. And you can see 8,000 views, 7,000 views, 7,000 views. And all these views, basically what we're doing is we're not just getting views, but we're getting people to comment on our videos. And then we're using robots to respond to these comments. And we are actually following up with them with our links. And remember, again, this isn't just on one profile. We're actually scheduling out videos to over 40 different social media profiles at a time. And we're acquiring new profiles pretty much every single day. I'll talk about how we're doing that. But imagine if you had 10 or 20 social media profiles that you started creating these AI videos on, and you started publishing these videos. Imagine how much traffic you would get if every single video got over 1,000 views. And remember, we're posting hundreds of videos or hundreds of posts a day as well. So just diving a little bit deeper here, let me show you the tool that we're using to schedule out this content. Now, by the way, High Level, the tool I just showed you a second ago, does do scheduling as well. We've just been using Radar lately. This is another tool. And the reason why we use Radar is just because we haven't even spent time learning High Level. in the social media aspect yet. We've just been using high level for our landing pages and our emails and texts, which I think is good enough as it is. But if you want to go figure out how to schedule out on high level as well, great. Again, like I said, it's a massive tool, has tons of features. But anyways, here we have all these different videos that we're scheduling out, right? So today we scheduled out this video, and then you can see all these different pages that we're scheduling to. We have Instagram, Facebook, and we found, Facebook and Instagram are kind of the two best places to schedule to. But all these different posts going out, all these videos, we're telling people, hey, respond with the word AI if you want to learn more. And then when they respond with AI, we're using another tool called ManyChat, which, by the way, high level does this as well. But again, we just haven't worked on the integration yet. But we use this other tool called ManyChat to actually automatically respond to all of our comments. So look at this. This is just on one page. We have tons of different pages in here. But here you can see it says Instagram comment auto respond, 107,000 comments that we're sending messages to. And what we're doing is we're sending our link. So the link is to our funnel, the funnel that we built, I showed you a second ago, in high level. Now, again, imagine if you had like 10 or 20 different social media profiles that were all getting hundreds of thousands of comments like this, and you were automatically sending them to your affiliate link. And remember, this doesn't have to be an affiliate link for high level. This could be an affiliate link for anything. It could be an affiliate link for Radar. It could be an affiliate link for, in fact, we actually have a checklist. If you've never seen it, scarytoolbots.com. This is a checklist of over, I guess I have to put this back up. This is a checklist of over like 400 AI tools. And these are all different tools with affiliate programs that you can get paid to promote. But I recommend promoting a product that is going to keep people paying for a long time. And that's why, like, I personally like to promote things like high level or Radar, or things that I personally use, because they're things that I pay for every single month, and I wouldn't not pay for them because they help me manage all of my leads, and they help me manage pretty much everything that I'm doing. Now, as far as how we're going and getting these profiles, right? Because one of the big things about these profiles is like, how do I get one? If I'm starting out and I need to, have a few followers to start getting views, how do I get those first few followers? Now, you will get a lot of followers organically. It's going to happen just by posting content, but there are some other hacks that you can use to start growing these pages. You can see, look at this, just in Facebook alone, I have all these different pages here. And one of the things that I do is, first of all, I buy pages, right? I reach out to brands and I acquire them. That's a completely separate video, but I can do more on that in the future if you want me to. But also, posting in groups with your pages is a great way to start growing them. And so, for example, let's say I took this page. This is a new page we've been recently growing. And let's say I sign into this page. Well, what I can do is I can start finding groups, like let's say this one. And I can start posting. I can join as the page, and I can start posting in the group as the page. So I could take AI generated videos, and inside those AI generated videos, like here, I can post as that profile. And what I can do is I can tell people in the videos to follow me or comment or interact with me, and then I can actually invite them to like my page. So like you can see, I got a like on this video. It's an AI generated video. I can invite them. And so if you have 4 or 5 different groups that you're posting this AI content in, you can quickly start growing these profiles just by generating these AI videos and posting them in these groups. And generating these videos is very simple. What I tell people to do all the time is take videos that I'm already using and use the transcribe feature inside of Shinify, because inside of Shinify, if you go to the transcriber, you can transcribe any video. So let's say I take this video, I click on transcribe here. Let me paste it. 1 second. I think I gotta click on that. But once I transcribe it, I can basically regenerate it. I'm not sure what's going on here. There's some sort of bug. But you can see these are previous transcriptions here. I can regenerate it by clicking on create, and it'll go and regenerate the video by, clicking on generate here. I can change out the voice. I can do whatever I want. And then when the video's done, I can basically repost the regenerated video so that I can start getting views with it, and I can start getting leads. Now, this is obviously sort of just the tip of the iceberg. If you'd like me to do a full step-by-step system for you, I can do that. I also have a previous class I did. It's about 10 videos long. I would consider giving it to you if you get into the trial for high level and try it out, because obviously I want to convince you to go and try out the tool and be successful with it. But if you go, actually, I'll do this right now. If you go and get the trial right now, I'm going to throw in as a bonus, probably won't do this very long, but if you click on the link below, get the trial, I will throw it in as a bonus, a full course showing you how to do all of this step by step so you can be successful with the tool. And like I said, it's completely free. If you get the trial and you don't get any leads, you don't get any sales, you don't have to keep it, you can cancel it. But at least try it, give it a try. Also, when you get the trial below, you're going to get a bunch of bonuses right now. And these are all bonuses that High Level is actually throwing in as part of this promo, because they've partnered with me and gave me like a 30-day trial along with all these bonuses to give to you. But they'll actually set up your account for you. They normally charge $297 for this. So you get the trial and then you just book a call with them, and they'll give you like their VIP setup where they'll go through and set up your whole account, make sure your email's working, make sure your landing pages are working, text messaging, everything. You get a sales funnel that we're going to throw in for you so that you don't have to go and build your own landing page. You get the 5-day AI challenge training that High Level just did, and it's really just training you on their entire CRM so you can become an expert at it. And then you get all this other cool stuff. But either way, on top of that, I will throw in a course for you as well that's going to basically take you through this entire process of generating videos, scheduling them out, doing all the follow-up. That is when you get in right now, though. So make sure you click on the link below and get into the trial. Again, it's free. Get in while you can, and make sure you get in, though, before this ends, because the bonuses are going away soon. And I'll see you very soon. Until I do, happy money making. We'll see you. Bye.